Okay.
Hi Joe, what are we on?
We're on Terrorizer.
Whoa! It's almost like a top scan. Oh man.
Okay, this is cool.
Woo! This is wicked. Randomest spinning ever. Hi son. This is really cool. Look at this sky. It's like an evolution type ride called the Terrorizer. It feels like a top scan. Look at out there how English it is. Woo! This is awesome. Oh my god. Woo! Hi Cole. Oh, that was strange. Head chopper. Uh-oh. Now it's pissed.
Yeah, don't stick the camera too far out.
It's pissed off. Oh my god. Look at the sky. Oh, my bladder's full. Oh, shit. My bladder's full. No. Oh, I'm gonna urinate everywhere. Oh, no more hanging upside down, please. Watch out, please. How was this, Joe?
That was different than I expected it to be.
Very different. This is cool.
I expected some
oh my god!
some cheese.
Come on. Are you kidding me? It looks like a painting, the sky.
It's a very loose feeling ride.
Yeah. My head's not. This is nothing like the other one.
No, what's that like?
It spins really. You can't see the ride because you gray out the whole ride.
Because you're doing what? You gray out?
Yeah. Wow. That was neat. What? What are you shaking your head no for? Who? Why? Camera? Oh no. It's not done with us yet. It's not done. Oh, they're playing Doves. Rock on. Felt the wrath of the Terrorizer.
Crank it.
I think this might be just an ending. What is a merry-go-round? Oh, that was it. Strange ends to ride. It's Tomb Raider. Oh, it's No Way Out. Uh-oh. We're not done yet? No, we're going again. What is that? Was that like an intermission? Yeah. Oh, wow. My body is like flying everywhere. Holy crap. Oh my god. This is so cool. Oh god, what was that? I think our coach is loose. Watch out, Cole. Woo! I don't like the Tomb Raider. Oh god. I'm gonna fall out. Whee! Do I look like the devil? Yes, it is. You don't know what you're gonna do next. Oh god. Cute face. Uh-oh, here we go. This is the final battle. Oh, machine. Hi, Joe. Hanging in there.
Hey, Sean. No hands.
Oh, fish. Ladder. My urinary tract. Whoa. Land choppers central. Whoa, now it's like a swinging ship. It's a frisbee. Oh my god! When does the madness stop? This is scary as hell. Oh god. Still going.
Get some upside down shots.
Oh wow. There we go. Man. Wow, no wonder there's no line. You never get off. I know. Like your ice water's like hot water now. Did you get ice water? Rats. Wow.
That was
unique.
Yeah, that was great.
Evolution
That was
owns.
much better than I thought it was.
Oh no.
That was really good.
It wasn't spinning.